So today I'm just going to go through balance and the importance of knowing where the sounds came from, being able to picture them as solo instruments, as well as being able to pull them together into context of a band. This is a recording of a band I was in, and the footage was taken live at the studio when we were recording it. So I'll go through and first play the part of the track as it's properly mixed, and then I'll play you through and solo some of the instruments so you can actually hear them and help identify what they sound like. Okay, so first off, let's listen to the song by itself.
I sat at home and watched a video, and somehow I have become a TV show. All I want to scream is go team go, and it seems my duty to do so. But I'm hungry, but I'm so alone. Feel rebellion deep inside of me. Oh, someone I could never be, and kinda handed down the family tree. I haven't that divine identity. I'm hungry, but I'm liberty. I am what I am. Don't you try to change me. I am what I am. An ordinary man.
Okay, so there you heard all the instruments together. There was the final mastered mix of the song. So what I'll do is I'll play back now the same section of that video. However, I'll solo instruments throughout, and you'll get, again, gives you a chance to get a better idea as to how they sound individually and also how they actually fit into a mix. When I do solo, what you'll be hearing are the unmixed or unprocessed elements or instruments by themselves. So they don't sound at their best. However, again, these are the things we're going to be covering over: how to improve them to be mixed better, and also how to balance them into the song.
And somehow I have become a TV show. All I go team go! Liberty. I am what I am, an ordinary man. Ordinary.
Okay, so there you have it. Hopefully that gives you a better idea as to how each part sounds within a mix, or how a mix is made up in the simplest sense. So now the challenge is to go away, have a listen to some music, and try and isolate those elements yourself. Try and hear just a guitar part, or just a singer, or just the drums, and just try and isolate the instruments. Even though you're listening to the whole mix, try and separate it with your mind, or in your mind, and try and hear them as separate elements. This will help you when you do start mixing music yourself. Okay, cheers.